Today, we're making rich, authentic Nigerian egusi soup too, step by step.
Every great dish begins with its ingredients, and egusi soup is a celebration of each one. First, the star of the soup, egusi. These dried melon seeds are ground into a fine, nutty powder.
Next, goat meat, firm, flavorful, and deeply aromatic. In egusi soup, it adds richness and depth that no other meat can match.
From the rivers and the coastline come dry fish and stockfish, preserved through sun, smoke, and time. Bright and bold, palm oil, a symbol of West African cooking. Its color alone tells a story.
Next is the pepper mix, a blend of tatashe, scotch bonnet, and onions. Fiery, fragrant, and full of life. Onion piment, simple yet essential. They bring sweetness, aroma, and harmony to the pot. And here is the secret note, crayfish, a touch of the ocean, a quiet ingredient with loud flavor.
Finally, ugwu leaves, fresh, green, and nourishing. They bring color, balance, and life to the soup.
This beautiful dish starts with one simple ingredient, egusi.
First, season your goat meat with onions, salt, and seasoning cubes. Steam it for 10 minutes, then cook until the meat is soft.
Now heat your palm oil and fry some chopped onions.
Add your ground egusi and stir continuously.
Fry it until it forms soft yellow lumps brown. This is where the aroma starts.
Next, pour in your blended pepper mix.
Add your rich meat stock to loosen the mixture. Now add your cooked meat, dry fish, and stockfish.
Sprinkle in some crayfish for that deep Nigerian flavor.
Cover and allow everything to simmer. Prepare your vegetables to right. I'm using fresh ugwu leaves.
Add the vegetables and give everything a gentle stir.
Look at this beautiful texture. Thick, rich, and fragrant. Your egusi soup is ready to serve.
Enjoy it with fufu, pounded yam, or eba.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow FrioBakes Cooks for more delicious meals.